So this is the wrap-up for the live market open for Monday, May 23rd. Had a few developments over the weekend. Two Fed officials were speaking. Rosengren of the Boston Fed is trigger happy. He's ready to pull the trigger. But Williams, considered close to Yellen, is not so sure. That sort of weighs on the dollar just a bit. And well, in addition to some profit taking. News from the Eurozone. Let's see how things turn out. Greece announces more austerity. The IMF wants significant debt relief, pushing it way into the future. I'm not sure Germany is in agreement. Trump and Clinton for the first time neck to neck, according to the average of polls held by Real Clear Politics. G7 results in nothing, much to do about nothing. On Friday, we had US new home sales coming out more or less as expected, sort of helping the US dollar, and Canadian inflation and retail sales missing out, missing expectations. This morning, we are seeing a bit of a risk-off sentiment, but mostly we're seeing the strengthening of the Japanese yen. But let's begin from euro-dollar, very much in range. 112.50 is resistance, 111.80 is support. Okay. Pound dollar, basically unchanged, 145 support, 145.80 resistance, 143.70 support. Dollar yen, here we are seeing a movement. We are seeing the pair fall all the way. It fell to 109.40, which was the previous line of resistance. Let's see if it really holds up as support. Next support, 108.40, resistance, 110. Dollar CAD, the Canadian dollar remains unconvincing. 131.20 at the moment, in range between 130.80 and 131.70. Oil prices are a bit lower this morning. Australian dollar, after opening a bit higher, is now sliding back down. 72.25 is the current level. 71.75 support, 73 resistance. And the Kiwi dollar is showing a lot of strength there in comparison to its peers, quietly moving higher within the range, within the 67.20 to 68.40 range, currently at 67.92. Okay, and for today, relatively light calendar. So far, Eurozone PMIs, well, a bit mixed, but basically a bit better than expected. German manufacturing PMI beat, French manufacturing PMI missed. Services sector figures both beat expectations. At 10:15, we have James Bullard of the St. Louis Fed speaking. Let's see if he remains optimistic. Then we have also at 12 John Williams. Let's see if he remains skeptical or if he returns to being optimistic. Also watch out for the market manufacturing PMI, Eurozone consumer confidence, and perhaps the most important event is only tomorrow morning, in the next 24 hours, a speech by Glenn Stevens. I believe that markets will move today on sentiment, on oil prices, stock markets more than events, but I would say that these two Fed officials could have an impact, especially on a light calendar. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming. Please give us some feedback to me directly, to Adinda, to Mauricio. We're doing these special segments. This time I did it about Clinton vs. Trump and currencies, and of course, a topic that is easy to follow up on. And yeah, so I guess that's it. So thanks everybody for coming. Wish everybody a safe and successful day in markets, and see you tomorrow. So thank you and bye-bye.